Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again. Your one-stop guide for everything related to CA exams. If you are new here, I am Pooja, a chartered accountant. I have an experience of working for Ernst & Young and KPMG, and I help CA aspirants like you succeed with practical tips, strategies and support. So today's video is very important for all the CA Inter and CA Final students. ICAI has officially released a major announcement regarding the Income Tax Act 2025 and its applicability. So let's break it down in a simple and clear way. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Every subscription works like a motivation for me and it also makes my day. So guys, when you visit my channel, do check out the playlist section. You will find several curated playlists for the CA Inter exams and CA final exams. Make sure to explore them and watch the videos in order to get the maximum benefit from each topic. On 5th December 2025, the ICA issued an official announcement concerning the new Income Tax Act 2025. So as we are aware that the Income Tax Act 2025 has received the assent of the Honorable President of India on 21st August 2025 and it will be effective from 1st April 2026. So this means that it will apply for the tax year 2026-2027. That is the financial year which ends on 31st March 2027. Since exam laws are tested after the completion of the relevant tax year, ICAI has confirmed when students will start writing exams based on this new act. So let's see when this will be applicable for the CA students. So here's the part most of you are waiting for. So ICAI has announced that the provisions of the Income Tax Act 2025 will be applicable as follows. For CA Inter and CA Final from May 2027 exam onwards. So for CA Inter it will be paper 3A Income Tax Law and for Final it will be paper number 4 Direct Tax Law and International Taxation. So if you are planning to write the CA Inter or CA Final exams in May 2027 or later, your DT syllabus will be based on the new Income Tax Act 2025. And for the self-paced online modules, it will be applicable from 1st May 2027 onwards. That is Set C Paper 5 International Taxation. So anyone writing the self-paced online module on international taxation from May 2027 must study under the new Income Tax Act 2025. So what's ICAI's advice to students? So ICAI has clearly advised all the students to take note of this important update and plan their studies accordingly. So if your attempt is in May 2027 or later, make sure your study material is aligned with the Income Tax Act 2025. So applicability of the Income Tax Act 2025 is effective for CA exams from May 2027 onwards. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. And also subscribe to my channel for more timely CA exam updates and study guidance. All the best for your exams and I will see you all in the next video.